Okay, so let's look at how we can get data into Power BI using Python. So one of the things we want to look at is there are different means you can get data into your Power BI. So there are different data connector that you have here. If you look at it, we have quite a lot of them. But now today we'll be looking at how we can use Python to get our data into Power BI. But the first thing you want to look at is to ensure that you install Python on your computer, your local computer. So if you have, you can go to your file. Let me try and do that again. I will close this. Go to your file, go to option settings, go to your options. You're going to see, go to your Python scripting. This right here is detecting the Python home directory. I install Python on my computer. You can download an Anaconda and install it on your computer. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, there are quite a couple of ways you can do that. You could go to your Python Anaconda that you install, which is Jupyter, and kind of write the code there. So now I am bringing in a data from my desktop file, which is fact internet sales CSV. So Panda, I'm importing this Panda library. So Panda is a data manipulation module, and data frame is used to store your data in a tabular format. So if you run this query here, you're going to get this data. This is just the first 5 rows of data that I have in my CSV file, this fact internet sales table. But I just did this to demonstrate how my data look like. So I'm going to comment this out because I don't need that. What I need is to print the whole data. So you're going to copy this and go to your Power BI desktop. So you go to your get data, more, then you can type Python here just to search for the Python library. So the Python script. So you click on connect, then copy and paste the data right here. I mean, the script, the Python script that you wrote, copy it here, then click OK. So you're going to see the sample data. So the data, the preview data is here. So you can start your transformation. You can transform this data. Click on transform data in case you want to clean up the data. So this will take you to your Power Query editor. So you can do quite a lot of data cleansing right here. So you can clean as much data, the columns as you have it. You can delete and keep some. I'll just quickly show you one basic thing that you can also do right here using your Python query. So I'm trying to remove some columns here. So I'm going to go here and go to choose columns. So I just want to keep my product key. I want to keep my total product cost and my sales amount. So if you click on this, I'm going to have just the 3 columns. I've removed other columns because if you look at the apply steps, you can see the last step there is removed other columns. The cool thing is that I was able to write some query, Python query, possibly would have done some data transformation in my Python. Now I'm bringing in the data into my Power BI desktop and further doing some data transformation. So that's one simple way that you can bring in your data using Python query. Thank you.